Introduction of AB-650. Administering Microsoft 365 in AI Services. Exam details. AB-650. Who should take the AB-650 exam? AB-650 exam skills measured. Best study tips for AB-650 exam preparation. 1. An organization wants to assign Microsoft 365 licenses automatically to users based on their department membership. Which approach should an administrator use? A. Assign licenses manually to each user. B. Configure group-based licensing in Microsoft Entra ID. C. Create separate Microsoft 365 tenants. D. Disable automatic license management. 2. Before enabling Microsoft 365 Copilot, an organization wants to identify overshared files and potential data exposure risks. Which action should be performed? A. Review data readiness and permissions across Microsoft 365 workloads. B. Disable all SharePoint sites. C. Remove all Microsoft Entra users. D. Block Microsoft Teams access. 3. An administrator needs to understand AI service consumption and identify departments with high Microsoft 365 Copilot usage. Which capability should be used? A. Copilot usage reports and AI service cost monitoring. B. Exchange message trace. C. Windows update reports. D. Microsoft Defender vulnerability scanning. 4. A security team requires users to complete MFA when accessing Microsoft 365 services from unknown locations. Which feature should be configured? A. SharePoint site template. B. Exchange mailbox delegation. C. Conditional access policy. D. Microsoft 365 backup. 5. A company must ensure that financial records are retained for 7 years and cannot be permanently deleted before the retention period expires. Which Microsoft Purview feature should be configured? A. Microsoft Entra password protection. B. Microsoft Defender safe attachments. C. Copilot connectors. D. Retention labels and retention policies. 6. An organization wants selected employees to use Microsoft 365 Copilot. What should an administrator configure? A. Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses and user assignments. B. Disable Microsoft Entra ID. C. Remove SharePoint permissions. D. Delete Microsoft Teams policies. 7. A company wants Microsoft 365 Copilot to access approved external business data sources. Which capability should be configured? A. Exchange transport rules. B. Copilot connectors. C. Microsoft Defender alerts. D. Administrative units. 8. An organization wants to control which AI agents employees can use and review agent requests before deployment. Which feature should administrators use? A. Microsoft 365 Backup. B. Exchange Mailbox Rules. C. Agent Registry Management. D. SharePoint Version History. 9. A company recently acquired a new business and needs to add a new email domain to its Microsoft 365 tenant. Which action should the administrator perform first? A. Create a new Microsoft Entra tenant. B. Add and verify the domain in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. C. Create a new SharePoint site collection. D. Enable Microsoft Purview DLP policies. 10. An organization plans to deploy Microsoft 365 Copilot. During the assessment, administrators discover that employees have excessive access to confidential SharePoint documents. What should be addressed before enabling Copilot? A. Configure SharePoint permissions and reduce oversharing risks. B. Increase Copilot license assignments. C. Disable Microsoft Entra ID protection. D. Remove all Microsoft Teams channels. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.